Hello, my name is David Kant, and I'm the president of Dynamic Search Consulting. When hiring our firm, I'm your main point of contact and am hands-on, directly involved in every search. Finding and recruiting top talent is what we do best. And I wanted to personally walk you through our executive search process to help you understand how it works. Step 1 is understanding the need. It is important for us to first understand exactly what you're looking for, both in terms of on-paper skill set as well as personality and cultural fit. Based on this, we create a company and position profile detailing the parameters you outlined for you to approve prior to us starting the search. Step 2 is research. Through both our existing database and new custom research done specifically for your search, we compile a list of several hundred candidates to contact and make this data available for your reference and feedback. Step 3 is recruit. Since we're targeting passive candidates who are in jobs and not actively looking, this step takes a lot of activity and persistence, which we certainly have. Here we typically contact the entire list of candidates over 5 times in order to get the best candidates to call us back. Step 4 is to screen and present the candidate shortlist. After getting candidates interested in the opportunity, we thoroughly screen and qualify them and submit the top shortlist for your review. Step 5 is manage the interview process. From submitting the initial shortlist through to completion of the search, we assist in coordinating and scheduling all interviews and ensure both client and candidate are appropriately prepared for each interview. Step 6 is conduct reference checks. Once you've decided on the candidate you'd like to hire, we conduct reference checks from the candidate's supervisor, peer, and direct report to ensure we have the full picture of the candidate and report this back to you. Step 7 is offer acceptance. Throughout the interview process, we pre-close the candidate on your opportunity and know ahead of time what they will need in order to accept an offer. This way, when the time comes, the chances of them accepting the offer are very high. This is a sensitive part of the process in which we have many years of experience and have a high offer acceptance success rate. Step 8 is counteroffer. This step is equally as important as Step 7, as just because the candidate accepts your offer does not mean it is over. He still needs to give notice to his current employer and show up to his new job on the set start date. Like offer acceptance, we cover counteroffer throughout the interview process and ensure the candidate will not consider one if offered and is fully prepped and committed to moving forward with your opportunity. Step 9 is conduct background check. After offer acceptance and reference checks are complete, the offer is still contingent upon a successful background check, which we run as part of our service. This includes a breakdown of the candidate's criminal record, such as felonies and misdemeanors, driving records, such as DUIs, and education verification to ensure the degree listed on the candidate's resume is accurate. And finally, Step 10, onboarding. The first 3 to 6 months for a new hire are crucial, which is why we check in with both you, the client, and the candidate at 90 and 180 days to ensure everything is going as planned and continue to be there as a resource as needed. From start of search through to offer acceptance, our searches take an average between 4 and 6 weeks. Compare that against the industry standard of 8 to 12 weeks. I hope this gives you a better understanding of our executive search process and how we deliver on our motto, Top Talent Now. For more information, please visit our website at dynamicsearchconsulting.com and give us a call. Thank you.